Most days I can barely leave my bed, 'cause someone lives rent free inside my
there it's expected to be thousands of motorcycles, thousands of riders. I have faith that the weather is gonna be just fine. So hundreds, thousands of bikers are gathering here right now.
and they don't know why.
Voilà.
Angels come and they leave to the midnight sky. You only know how much.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today it's Monday, it's Eastern, and I am heading to Mirna Peč. Why Mirna Peč? Those of you who are from Slovenia and neighboring countries probably know where it's the biggest motorcycle blessing in Slovenia, and there it's expected to be thousands of motorcycles, thousands of riders, and I am heading there. So 1st of April 2024, motorcycle blessing in Mirna Peč. So today's road, it's gonna lead me through Notranska and then Dolenska. I just passed Postojna, so I had 30 kilometers till now from Divača, and I am heading to the direction of Cerknica right now, and then through Velike Lašće, and I will pass Videm, and after I'm gonna be very close. So Mirna Peč, guys, Mirna Peč. This is gonna be the 26th, I think, blessing from the beginning, and it is a very, very big event, well organized. I think I am just guessing because this is gonna be my first time there. So I am curious what it's gonna be like, guys. So enjoy the road.
You only know the time we spend.
So guys, I hope that the rain will just pass, and that we will have at least a cloudy day there, because it is not really nice to be in the rain on such a nice meeting.
Pain from my heart, I make it whole again.
I am in Cerknica. I filmed a video for Discovering Slovenia too. It was last year, and those of you who are interested in that video can check it on my channel. So on the right side it's the Cerkniško jezero, Cerkniško lake. It is a very famous attraction, and those of you who are interested why it is so famous and why it is such a beauty, please check my video, You can check it up here. Velike Lašče left. So, hundreds, thousands of bikers are gathering here right now. Hola!
Hiding like a thief. I'll pull the windows down when I feel low. Keep my demons close.
Srečno prišli. In še bolj bomo srečni, če boste tudi na poti domov imeli vso pazljivost in srečo in prišli varno tudi domov. Naj povem, da se nas je tukaj zbralo po oceni blizu 10 000. To je seveda lepa številka.